People repeat car myths with full confidence, but most of them are completely wrong. Today, we're exposing the 10 biggest car myths everyone still believes. Let's begin. Many people think premium fuel makes every car faster. Wrong. Unless your engine is tuned for high octane, premium fuel won't give you extra power. You're just burning extra money. Another common myth is that electric cars are slow. That was true decades ago, but definitely not today. The fastest accelerating production cars in the world are electric, and they embarrass most supercars. A lot of drivers believe warming up your engine for several minutes before driving is good. It's outdated. Modern engines warm up faster when you start driving gently, not idling. Here's another one. Manual cars always save fuel. Not anymore. Modern automatic and dual-clutch gearboxes shift quicker and more efficiently than humans, and in many cases, give better mileage. Some people think all-wheel drive automatically makes you safer. AWD helps with traction, yes, but it doesn't help you brake faster or stop you from sliding if you're driving too fast. Many believe red cars get pulled over more. Police data shows no connection. The color doesn't matter. Your speed does. Another classic. Change your oil every 3,000 miles. That's a rule from the 1980s. Today's engines and synthetic oils easily last 7,000 to 10,000 miles or more, depending on your car. People also think bigger engines automatically mean more power. Not true. Modern turbocharged engines with smaller displacement can outperform old large engines thanks to better efficiency and technology. A surprisingly common myth is that hybrid batteries die after a few years. In reality, most hybrid batteries last over 150,000 miles, and many go far beyond that without issues. And finally, the most repeated myth. Luxury cars are always more reliable. Absolutely false. Reliability depends on engineering, not price. Some expensive cars break down more than cheap ones. So the next time someone confidently repeats one of these myths, you'll know the truth. Cars have evolved, technology has changed, and many old beliefs simply don't apply anymore. If you enjoy debunking these myths, check out the other videos on the channel and subscribe for more car facts, stories, and deep dives.